throwing rocks. Tons of them. Look, Joe, over here's some rocks. The little black rocks right here and right here. There's tons of them. Pick them up, Joe. There you go. Make a ripple. Step and throw. Step and throw.
Yeah.
Ready, Joe? Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Keep going and out. Is it cold? He's freaking. Joey, you're so silly.
It stands cold.
It really stands cold?
No, it's hot.
Oh, okay.
No, it's cold.
Oh, okay.
No, the lake's cold.
The
lake
cold?
is cold, probably.
It is cold.
You know why? What month is it? It's
Another lake's cold.
Yeah, because it's the month of October. It's fall. God bless you, boo.
Hi.
Go get your sleeves wet, babe. Careful. And they're wet. There we go. Exactly what you're not supposed to do.